And next at 10, the State Patrol is hoping that you'll pay extra attention to this next story.
A 24-year-old woman died early Sunday morning walking along the interstate, and there aren't a lot of clues in this case. News 3's David Douglas joins us. He's live at the News Center tonight with how they're really hoping to piece together this whole puzzle, David.
The missing piece, Eric, troopers tell me, may in fact be you. They're confident somebody knows something, and they're hoping they'll come forward. This is 24-year-old Amanda Borland. The Madison woman's body was found around 1 a.m. early Sunday morning in the southbound lanes of I-3990, where it intersects with Sickle Co. Road. Troopers did find a car belonging to Borland's fiance off the interstate near Sickle Co., but do not believe it was disabled. Tonight at My Buddy's Bar on the east side, a benefit was held for Borland's family, and we can show you that here in a second, to help cover final expenses. Motorcycles, as did many of her friends, and members of that community are hoping someone will do the right thing.
If a person might remember, striking something, whether he didn't know what it was or thought it might have been a deer or something, just come forward with some information.
Troopers believe Borland may have been walking along the interstate, but do not know why. Borland's fiance did not want to go on camera, but tells us the last time he saw her, they were at home around midnight. He thought she had been drinking, and though he tried, wasn't able to convince her to stay home. He and the State Patrol are obviously asking for your help. So if you saw a woman walking, an accident, a stopped vehicle in that area, anything, late Saturday night or early Sunday morning, give the State Patrol a call.
It'd be nice for that family to get some answers. David, thank you.